Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to introduce to you our all-in-one diaper, or Kaiapa Paʻa. When we first were starting out with cloth diapers, everything was a bit overwhelming. There were a lot of different styles and different types of absorbency, and we just really were looking for something simple and easy. The answer is within an all-in-one diaper. This diaper just goes on in one easy step, just like a disposable diaper. When you're done using the diaper, when the diaper is soiled, throw it in the washer, throw it in the dryer or hang dry, take it out, and it's ready to go on baby again. If we first look at the outside of the diaper, there are these hip snaps here that will secure the diaper onto the baby around his or her waist. These snaps on the front are called rise snaps. So there's 3 going across here on the top and 4 going down. So it's a 3x4 rise snap setting. This means that your baby will be able to wear this diaper from about 8 pounds to about 35 pounds. So taking you from birth all the way through potty training. The inside of our diaper features 8 total layers of absorbency. So there's 2 different tongues made of bamboo, cotton, mixed material, and they're sewn together here at the top of the tummy panel. So the bamboo cotton mix creates a really soft absorbent fiber that is really comfortable because it goes right against baby's bottom. You'll also see that our inner for our diapers are our signature beige athletic wicking jersey. Athletic wicking jersey is a great wicking material. So what that means is that any moisture from baby will be wicked away from his or her body so that he or she stays really comfortable. You'll also see that at the back of the diaper, we have a wide elastic back which helps to contain all of the messes inside. Our all-in-one diapers feature really gentle but effective leg elastics that will help keep all the messes in, but be really comfortable for baby as well. So there you have our all-in-one diaper. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Check us out on our Instagram at Kaleimamo Hawaiʻi. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye!